4 exercises that can transform your body without using of gym equipment. Warm up before beginning. It only takes 5 minutes of brisk walking or jogging to reduce pain. Afterward, stretch or foam roll. First is rotational jacks. Rotational jacks, a variation on the jumping jack, are a wonderful way to start a workout. They'll increase your heart rate and warm up your muscles. I will show you how to perform rotational jacks. First, start out with a wide stance and flexible knees. Your arms should be parallel to the ground and extended straight out from your sides. Second one, keeping your head, neck, and arms straight. Keeping your body still, point your torso so your right hand is facing forward, reaches the earth. Third one, jump your way back to the starting position. Fourth one, jump your feet back out and hinge. Returning to the forward position, turn to the left and place your hand on the ground. Fifth one, restart the sentence. Jump with both feet at once and turn once more to the right. And lastly, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps are required. And for our second exercises, plank reach unders. Planks are a simple but challenging workout that have full body advantages. Your core is further targeted by adding the reach under. How to perform? First, assume a high plank position on your hands. Make sure your back isn't sagging and that your core is tight. Your spine and neck ought to be impartial. Second one, back up and raise your right hand off the floor, tapping your fingers in the direction of your left thigh. Go back to a plank. Third, tap your right hand while using your left hand to repeat 5 before resuming a plank. And lastly, complete 3 sets of 20 taps. And our third exercise is mountain climbers. Weights are unnecessary if you can perform several sets of mountain climbers. Your muscles and lungs will be on fire as a result of supporting your own weight and the knee thrust. How to perform? First, put your arms up in a high plank position, extended. Second, maintaining your spine and your core engaged as you. Maintaining a neutral neck, lift your right knee to your chest. Boost it and drive your left knee as soon as possible toward your chest. Third, repeat as quickly as you can for 30 seconds while keeping proper form. And lastly, finish all 3 sets. And for our last exercises without equipment is squat jumps. Exercises called plyometrics demand that your muscles produce a lot of force in a little amount of time. Squat leaps are a good illustration. With just a couple sets of them, you'll gain a lot of value. They have a high impact, so continue with caution if your joints are delicate. To perform squat jumps, first, your arms should be bent when you squat down. Then clasp your hands in front of you. Second, launch yourself into a jump while persevering and regaining your balance by standing up straight. Third, squat down when you return to the ground and repeat. And last step, finish 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Thank you for watching.